It's a new day, and just going outside. I've got some of those, what are they called? Rivet nuts there. And I got a box because I didn't know what size I wanted yet, so I bought a multi-box, and then we'll see which size fits, and then order those ones, I suppose. It's the best way to do it, isn't it? So the van's all locked up. We've got an animal that comes down our garden, keeps soiling, doing a crap on our driveway. I think it's a badger. We had a badger here before, and I think it's a badger, possibly fox. Yeah, sorry, just getting the van door open. Here we go. Well, that was pretty hard work. Well, we're in the van, and we'll see how we get on. Find out what holes we need. Well, I think these are M6, and they do fit in that one and that one. Yeah, so I think I'm looking at M6. Well, typically the M6 part is broke, so that must have broke last time I was doing the ground build. I think what I might have done is I might have made the holes bigger to fit the M8s last time because of that. So there's no way this is going to fit. This is M5. Yeah, it's just way too small. I'm going to have to find this one, but if I remember rightly with this one, I didn't like it, and that's why I bought the other one. But as I said, the parts broke on it, so I dug this out the garage, and I remember I didn't use this one because I didn't like it because of this screw thing on the end. Takes too much work. But it does kind of work. Give this a go. Oh, you've got to be quite a bodybuilder for this. This is the problem I have with this one. It's the screwing bit of this bit. Oops. So, according to that, that's in. This doesn't feel like it's going in very straight. This looks like it's on an angle. And there's a bit of a bug over, you need to get them out, because I think you have to drill them out. There we go. I left the camera on when I went for coffee, so you might get cut off. But anyway, I put I'll show you. I put like these M6s in. They seem a bit crooked, but they are flush all the way along. I think that's where the bed is going to go, so that's good. I've done the same this side all the way along. I need to put some more up the top here, and I'll probably go along there as well, because you never know. And maybe up here, up this post, because I think that I'm gonna have something here. Same over the other side. Oh God, I can't even. Oh God, I can't even bend it. I might have to get someone else to do these top ones. I haven't got the upper arm, I haven't got the strength. Maybe I could stand or something, give me some height on it. I just don't have the strength. I've done all these rivets. Oops, I'll get you there. Look, all these rivets I've put in. I put them all down here, and oops, around, and I've run out there, and I've cut myself by the looks of it. I've had to order some more, obviously. In those multi-packs you don't get a lot of the rivets overall. You get X amount of the common ones. You know, they want to make you buy more, don't they? Anyway, so I've ordered some more because it seems to be the average size around the van. I don't think I need to put as many in as I have, because I don't really know where I'm going to put the wood. But obviously the main bit is down here, because I think the bed's going to come off this one. Probably raise it up about the wood up to about that high. So I want this, and yeah, I've done a little bit on the other side as well, down the bottom there. But I've got to wait for some more. Tomorrow I've got to do a photo shoot up in London, out and about around London, so I might vlog that. Two people come over from Canada. I've been originated in America, Canada, Canadians. That's where they live now anyway. So they're over here for a show they put on. My brother does acts, and I've been asked to do a photo shoot, so give it a whirl, innit? Yeah. Yeah, it should be a bit of fun. I don't really like going into London though. I don't think it's safe, especially if we're taking camera equipment up there, because there's just so many of those thieves around on on their bikes. London's not a nice place, I don't think. Unless I haven't been up there for a while, so I don't know, maybe it's changed a bit. But if you ever go into London, don't hold your phone out or your camera like I'm holding this camera out too often, because it gets snatched. Yeah, I don't trust London at all. It's probably like that in most places. Anyway, back soon. Yeah, can't do much now really until I get some more of those rivets, and like I said, tomorrow I'm out. So I'll talk again soon.